Dyson V11 is alive. The battery is full, the lights are on, and it sounds like a jet engine, but it's picking up absolutely nothing. It's the ultimate betrayal, a vacuum that refuses to vacuum. The technical culprit? It's usually a double whammy, a faulty motor combined with a compromised filter. When the airflow is blocked, or the motor loses its internal seal, your vacuum loses its muscles. If you keep forcing it to run, you're risking a total system burnout, turning your premium appliance into a very expensive doorstop. Ignoring this doesn't just leave your floors dirty. It puts massive strain on your battery and can lead to a complete electrical burnout. But don't worry, RoboCare has the specialized parts and expertise to restore that legendary Dyson power. At RoboCare, we don't just fix vacuums, we master them. We don't rely on guesswork. Our team uses specialized airflow diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact drop in pressure within your machine. When we find that no suction fault, our approach is surgical. We strip the unit down to the core, replacing the stressed or faulty motor and installing genuine filters. We ensure the internal seals are airtight, restoring the powerful cyclone technology Dyson is famous for. We believe in precision over quick fixes, and the proof is in the performance. But seeing is believing, right? Let's get to the results. Look at that power. This Dyson V11 vacuum is back to 100% suction power. It's like it just came out of the box. Don't settle for a weak vacuum. Trust RoboCare for expert, reliable repairs for your vacuum and all your vacuum needs. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.